Hello, and welcome to my video. Oh, sorry, my headphones fell down. So this is my real hair. Let's see how long it is now. Oh yes, look how long that is. I'm trying to grow it out like really long, like down here at least. So let's see, because I want to like put it up in pigtails eventually, but like it's not long enough for that right now. It has to be like down here, like for me to be happy. Okay, let's stop talking about that. We're gonna put on some deodorant, and then I'm gonna do like a quick little makeup thing with no audio. Well, I'm not gonna talk during it, but I'm definitely gonna, you know, this one's Tropical Paradise. It smells good. So then I'm gonna spray myself so I don't stink. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing like a quick, I don't know, tutorial. It's not even a tutorial, I'm just showing you my makeup real fast. I'm just gonna make it real fast, that way we could get the Q&A out of the way. So, here we have, I don't even know if we need that. We'll put that there anyway. Alrighty. What color lipstick should I do? Gray and black. I don't know how many of these kinds of videos I've made, but I think it's excessive. So there's this. I use this. This is a wig making cap, but it's like the only thing that goes over all of my hair. So I kind of just have to deal with it, you know?
We don't want to hear you talk. We want to see a wig.
Now I'm going to put on some concealer. Oopsie. My glasses are shaped like hearts if you didn't notice. I'm sorry, they're dirty. This is all I do. Oh, it's hot in here now. Fuck. This is why I don't like wearing wigs. Because it gets really hot and sweaty. But it's also like, I look so beautiful. No, I'm just kidding. No, but I really do. That sounds so conceited. Oh, well I am. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just playing with you. Oh, I'm just joking. I don't know. Ah, I got makeup in my eye. See, this is the uncut truth of makeup. You just kind of get it in your eye sometimes, and a lot of people cut that part out in their videos, but I don't, because I want you to see how fucked up my makeup really is. And a lot of the time I don't even blend it, and it's okay because I don't give a fuck. So there's that. And then here I put this thing on. Powdery. This is like white people powder. Yeah, well, whatever. I'm part white, I could put it on, right? Oh, you can't even tell. If anything, it lightened it up more. Maybe, oh, here. Okay, you could tell a little bit. You could tell if it goes off too much. There we go, now you can't tell. Oh shit, it's hot. Oh, bitch. This is not the weather to be wearing this wig. My alarm was going off. Why am I nervous? I just got really nervous all of a sudden. Why does that happen? Like, I'm not nervous, and then all of a sudden, like, I get really nervous, and then all of a sudden it goes away, and I'm not nervous again. I had really bad diarrhea this morning. Like, my butthole was like a volcano. That's how it used to be when I was really fat. Like, it used to be like that every day. And now I remember, and I don't miss being fat. I didn't eat anything unhealthy yesterday, so that might be why. It might be my organs cleaning out, because all I ate yesterday was some spring rolls and a grapefruit, and then because I'm trying to go more whole foods, because that's what I did, and I lost a bunch of weight before. I lost like 10 pounds, and I didn't even try. Like, I was eating like 6 chicken breasts a day. I was eating a lot, but it was like of whole foods. Like, I ate like 6 big chicken breasts a day and shit, and like I had like a whole watermelon, and like I was losing weight, bro. Like, I ate a large watermelon, not even one of those small ones. It was a large one, and I ended up losing weight still. I lost like 10 pounds doing that. I was like 130 or 140, like 140. I think it was probably like 142. I probably lost You know, I went down to 130, so I was like, I lost at least like 12 pounds probably. So yeah, it's all more about the foods that you eat more than like the amount. So I wouldn't worry about, you know, stuff like that. Like you know, I don't really care about my weight too much, but like I want to start wearing like skirts and stuff. Cause like I wore a skirt the other day at Goodwill. I was getting a lot of compliments, but it's also like, I got some big ass thighs, bitch. I mean, my waist is small in comparison, but it's also just like I still would like to eat healthy, like just to be healthy, you know? I feel like I want to look young when I get old, and in order to do that, I'm gonna not drink anymore. And I'm going to eat more whole foods, like fruits and stuff. I love eating fruits. Like, I eat so much fruit, bro. On like my Whole Foods thing. It's not even really a diet. It's more just like a lifestyle. I guess that's what you could say, because it's not a diet, because you don't go off of this diet. It's not a diet. It's a lifestyle, my dude. You know, you just, I don't know. But yeah. I feel like I'm talking so much about dieting. No, but I've lost over like 45 pounds my life, you know, and I've kept it off. So it's like, you know, if someone calls me fat now, I'm just like, oh. I just look at them like they're idiots, because I work out so much. Okay, I work out at least 5 times a week. And at least for 2 hours a day, you know. I can run for an hour straight. I ran for an hour straight. Sure, I got a headache, but I could do it. It's like at 5.0 to 5.5 I can do. I can't, like, I have asthma, so doing 5.5 for 20 minutes kind of like wins me, so I kind of just like do 2 of them mixed together. Because I do have asthma. Like, whenever I run too much, I get like really, like, my lungs, they like, I start wheezing. Like, at first I couldn't even do like a minute. I couldn't even do 30 seconds when I first started. I really couldn't. Like, I was like so winded and it hurt so bad. But now I can do an hour. My goal was to do an hour like 1.5 years ago. And I'm finally to that point. So yeah, now I can go an hour. Sorry, I'm looking at my eyelashes. They looked a little weird, I don't know. The gray on one side. What? Hold on. So, sorry, I do my lipstick like this like every day. Not like the checkered, but... I'd say it's like one of my more favorite looks is the checkered look. So what I'm doing is I'm doing checkered with black and gray today, because I never really used the gray. I got gray because I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I'm gonna do something. So this would be really cute with like a checkered clown outfit, but unfortunately I don't have that. So yeah. I bought a whole bunch of new clothes though. So we're gonna be doing a haul. I don't know if I like this, but whatever. Look, it would be good with like a certain kind of outfit. Actually, that doesn't look that bad. Here, we just need to make the top a little bit thicker. Okay, yeah, that looks better. Now that I did the bottom, I guess I wasn't done yet, so that's why. So, I don't know, this is the kind of lipstick I would wear with like a nice little outfit. And I was thinking, guys, I was thinking, and then I just stopped talking. Hold on. Not done yet. You feel me, right? Which I know you do. You feel me? You feel my breasts? No, I'm just kidding. Hopefully you don't do that. That's disgusting. I'm just playing with you. I don't want you to feel my breasts. You fucking pervert. Disgusting. Despicable. I'm so sorry. I'm not that sorry. And that's alright. I say that in like every one of my videos. I'm so sorry. No, I'm not. Should I like outline this with black eyeliner? Don't look at me. I want to fall in love. When am I gonna fall in love? What the fuck? It's like I've been waiting years and years and I haven't fallen in love yet. I would not read a comic book if it wasn't pornographic. And that's just the truth. I need to have porn in my life. Otherwise, my life is incomplete. I'm not a porn addict, but I feel like one. No, I'm just kidding. Is Shaniqua, is she insulted right now? Why would she be insulted? Shaniqua, I love you. He said he wanted me to do his makeup. I was like, okay, buddy, I'll bring my lipstick and I'll do your makeup for you. And he's not joking. He always talks about fucking guys in the ass. You can't even see it. I don't care. It's subtle. I like these dots. Oh. So with this, you just have to scrape it off. I had boba this morning. I feel empty inside without blush on. You know? My mom thinks I look so red and diseased. No, I'm just kidding. She never said that. But I know you're thinking it, Mom. No, I'm just kidding. I love my mom. Don't talk shit about my mom, bitch. No, I'm not joking. If you ever talk shit about my mom on my channel, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna murder you. If you think I'm joking, you'd be wrong. No, I'm gonna fucking kill you, bitch. I'm gonna murder you. I'm gonna grab my knife and stab you in the fucking neck. You stupid fucking bitch. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I really spit on my mirror. Are you ready? Are you ready to see? I really spit on my mirror. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You know what? It's hot in this fucking wig. What if I just ripped off my wig? I really would, but I want to keep it on. Here. I have a solution. I feel like my nose looks tinier in the mirror than it does. It probably looks smaller in real life. I think that's either that or I'm hallucinating. Does that look better or worse? I'm scared, I don't know. Here, I have a solution. We'll put some X's right here. Oh, that means I'm in a gang. Okay, guys, I'm in the gang called, wait, can you see it? No, you can't. Okay, wait, can you see it? I can see it kind of, but I need to make it more seeable. Okay, so I remember my first boyfriend, Renell. When I broke up with him, I wanted to become YouTube famous because I hated him. No, I don't hate him. He's not that much of a piece of shit. He's actually probably the least piece of shit out of all my boyfriends. JK, guys. What is this? I don't know. So that's my makeup look. Oh yeah, we're doing a Q&A on my special songs. Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, so one of my favorite artists right now is his name is Redford. It's REDFXRD, okay? And he's got some good music. He's not very well known, but it's like trap or funk music. If you guys know what that is, it's like that. Except I really like his songs. I work out to them. So I'm gonna give him a shout out because I like him. And then let's see who else. There's Ouija Mac. I like OUIGIAMACC or whatever. Ouija Mac. And then who else do I like? I like Boris Blan or Blen. BORISBLENN or something. I like them. They make like some good chill music. And then I like neurofunk. I like industrial music. I like metal. I have some Whitechapel on my phone, like Whitechapel, like Alone in the Morgue. That's the only song I have on my phone because I like it so much. But that's like the only song I like from them. Honestly, that's my favorite because of the beginning. It's mostly the beginning. But there's that one. And then I don't know, that's about it for music. So yeah. And there's also this one, I don't know how to spell it, hold on. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.